There's so many ways that we enjoy the outdoors, and we're hitting the trails to explore how our forests play a pivotal part in that experience. From the thrill of conquering trails, we shift gears to explore the broader world of off-road adventure. I'm in Mercer, Wisconsin, and it's time to turn things up a notch. We're gonna tear up the trails with the Dusty Loons. Let's ride. You are the president of the Dusty Loons. Can you just give us an overview of what the Dusty Loons are?
It's a club that was formed by several business owners in the area. We're here to help the community by keeping trails in great shape and getting more people to come up here and ride and enjoy the beautiful Northwoods. We have a 100-horse John Deere tractor, and we have different attachments to pull behind. Our trail system is a lot more user-friendly. You can go rent a machine anytime you want, 2-seater, 4-seater. You can go anywhere you need to go, grocery store, gas station. Go out and enjoy the trails. We have main arteries. You can go to the map and look at them. If you venture off into the backwoods somewhere, it's pretty easy to get back to a main artery again. You can't do that in a lot of places. I love being out on trails because I get to see the wildlife running around. The waterfalls are absolutely gorgeous.
Well, Six, I am so appreciative of you having me out. Should we get back on the trails?
Absolutely.
Let's go.
All right.
Leaving the dusty trails behind, we embark on a journey back in time to the heart of Wisconsin's logging history. We're at the Lumberjack Steam Train and Camp 5 Logging Museum. We're gonna learn about the history of lumber. I have never been to a place like this, so unique. To get here, you take this steam train.
That steam train has been running for almost 150 years on the same tracks.
For people that are unfamiliar with Camp 5, what exactly is it? What do you all have here?
Our family has been logging these acres for 150 years.
We're trying to preserve Wisconsin's forestry history, which really was such a big part of building the Midwest. But we're also trying to educate people as to sustainable forestry.
That's why the museum was started, to let other people know this is how you can do it. There's more trees in Wisconsin now than there were 100 years ago. These forests are beautiful, they're thriving, and that's what we really want to show people. This was originally the harness shop and the blacksmith shop, and then we just kept on expanding the museum to encase artifacts that have been donated over the years. Original logging tools, axes, some really old chainsaws. We have the original store that was in Laona that was brought out here. The nature center that shows everything that you'll find in the Northwoods. The petting corral, which is huge for the kids.
I bet those goats are a huge hit.
They get fatter and fatter through the summer because you can feed them grain and they love it. Over 50 years, we've been operating this as a museum. We'll have people who come in and say, gosh, I remember being a kid and being here. I'm just so excited that you're still running and I get to show my kids the same location.
And they're bringing their grandchildren.
Yeah.